Hello, second grade mathematicians. Today we are going to be talking about something that you saw a lot of in first grade. 10 frames. And I made my own 10 frames. I thought I need some of those. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a tens frame and make sure you are on mute. Please make sure that you are on mute. And when I show it to you, I want you to quickly say what it's worth because I'm not going to hold it up for very long. So let's see if you can recognize the tens frames very quickly. Are you ready? 3, 8, 10, 4, 0. Ooh, did I trick you on that one? 1, 5, 6, 9, 2, 7. Nice work, second grade. Now, if I were to show you this one, which we've already said is worth how much? 8. And then I show you this one that's worth 3. How much am I showing you all together? 8 and 3. I hope that you said 11. And one way you could have figured it out is you said there are 2 blanks here. So if I move 2 of those dots over, I now only have 1 left over here. That would make a full set of 10 and 1 left over. 10 plus 1 is 11. So that's a way we can use tens frames. We can picture them in our minds to help us solve math facts. Let's try another. 4, 1. If I move this one over and fill a box here, then I know that I have 5. 4 and 1 make 5. 6 and 5. Well, if I know I have 5, and then here's 5, 5 and 10, plus 1 is 11, or if I filled the empty boxes, that would make 10, and I would have 1 left over. 10 plus 1 is 11. All right, friends. All right, let's quickly go through those again one more time. See if you say it before I do. I'm mixing them up. Ready? 10, 5, 6, 9, 2, 7, 8, 3, 0, 1, 4. Now try to solve one more. Move these 2 over to fill boxes. You could fill them this way, and that could help you. 6 and 2 would be 8. All right, friends, moving on from tens frames, we are going to check in on the land of time. Looking at Shorty first. Shorty's pointing at the 8. Tall Slim Jim is pointing at the 12, which means he has counted by 5s 12 times. But he doesn't say 60 when he gets here. He says o'clock. Very good. If you'd like to grab your small clock to work along with me on a couple of these, awesome. All right, what we're going to do today is we're going to add and subtract hours from the time. We're going to figure out problems using the clock, adding and subtracting hours from the time. So the hours is the hour hand, that's Shorty's other name. So you're only going to be changing Shorty in these problems. Okay, no matter where the time starts for the problem, what will be changing will be Shorty, or the hour hand, to figure out the problem. Okay, here we go. Example. At 8 o'clock, I watched a movie. The movie was 2 hours long. What time was it when my movie ended? So I started at 8 and it took me 2 hours. 2 more hours of my day. So I'm going to add 2 hours to 8 o'clock. And what time would it be, friends? It would be 2 hours. 10 o'clock. I didn't add just minutes. I added full hours, which means only Shorty changes. Tall Slim Jim an hour later would still be at o'clock. An hour later, he's still at o'clock. Because remember, he goes around the clock every hour. And at the top, he's saying o'clock. All right, let's try one more. At 12 o'clock, I had 3 more hours until soccer practice. What time would it be in 3 more hours? Remember, the clock goes this way. This is called clockwise. And at 12 o'clock, Shorty's underneath the 12. There he is. At 12 o'clock, I know I have soccer practice in 3 hours. 3 more hours. What time is soccer practice? Here we go. There's 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. What time is soccer practice, friends? 3 o'clock. Very good. All right, one more. It is 5 o'clock. It is 5 o'clock. My bedtime is in 4 more hours. What time am I going to bed? Please make your clock say what time I am going to bed. It's 5 o'clock and I'm going to bed in 4 more hours. What time am I going to bed? Let's see if your clock says what mine does. 5 plus 4 is... It's a math fact. So 5 o'clock plus 4 more hours is 9 o'clock. I hope your clock says this too. All right. Now I want to try one where Tall Slim Jim is pointing at the 6. Remember, when he's pointing at the 6, he's always saying 30 because that means he is counted by 5s 6 times, starting at the 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Now, remember, we are only adding or subtracting hours. So in an hour, Tall Slim Awesome Jim is still going to be saying 30 because in exactly 60 minutes, he would be back here again. Okay? So he's going to be here no matter what in our answers to our problems. It is 9:30. And I packed my lunch for the next day 2 hours ago. I already did it. So you got to take away time. What time did I pack my lunch for tomorrow? So again, it's 2 hours ago, which means I need to count back. I need to get smaller. So what is 9 take away 2? What is 9, the hour of 9, take away 2 hours? So 9:30, take away 2 hours. Let's see if your clock says what mine does. 9:30 take away 2 hours is 7:30. Very good. All right, friends. That was a little practice with problem solving with time. And we will keep working on that in 2nd grade. All right, mathematicians, I will see you soon.